Hello, this is gonna be my first video ever on this channel, and today we are gonna be learning how to build with the Create Big Cannon mod. Okay, to start off, you're gonna want 9 things. You're gonna want the cannon mount, you're gonna want the steel cannon chamber, steel cannon barrel, steel sliding breech, a lever, a button, any button is fine, a solid shot, a powder charge, and just your normal creative motor. Okay, to start, we're going to start off with the cannon mount. So this thing holds your cannon. This is the place where everything's going to happen. So you will build your cannon, and so you'll build your cannon. When you are ready and finished with your cannon, you're going to take your lever, and you're going to place it specifically on the hammer icon. So you're going to place it. Okay. Now, you're going to flick that lever down. This now would assemble it on the cannon on top and is ready for it to fire. Once we're ready to fire, we take our oak button, we can slap it on there, and once we press it, the cannon will fire. Okay, the second thing you need, a steel cannon chamber. This is where all the stuff stays and gets held on to when you're pretty much not ready to fire yet. So if you stack it on top, you want this to be through there. So that's our chamber. I say putting about on 3 of them to start. So we're going to do like this. Okay. This is when you hold it. When you put your stuff in, like your bullet and your propellant, this is where it's going to be held. Okay, the second thing, the steel cannon barrel. The steel cannon barrel is a barrel to make it more accurate and stuff. So we can put on 3 just like that too. And so we'll redirect it. Also kind of just gives it a better feel. Okay. Our steel sliding breech is going to be a little bit complicated. It goes on the back of our cannon. Okay? Now, we're going to take our creative motor and place it on one of these little, what are they called? Shafts. So we're going to do that. Rotate it. And you'll see this thing comes up. So now, what you're going to do is you want to put your stuff in. When you go to put your stuff in, it seems like you just right-click it in. But you're actually going to place it, and however many power charges you want, depending on your chamber size, you're going to put down right there. So it's going to look like this when you're going to load. Okay? Next, you are going to take you can get it in the Create Big Cannon section. You are going to take your ramming rod. Okay, so pretty much you just hit it in. 1, 2, 3. Oh. So you go to close this. Let's close it. It won't close. Well, that's because one of the charges are chambered in the breech. We don't want that. So to get that out, we're just going to right-click it one more time. Okay, now it should be good, and if we reverse it, it should come down. So alright. Our lever and our oak button, like I taught you, place that one on the hammer, this one on the little redstone, little circuit right here. Okay. You can get rid of this if you want to. Okay. So, now you got to assemble your cannon. So, flick down this lever, and you are good to go. So, fire when ready. So, press this button, and it fires. So, here we go. Made a hole there. Made a hole here. And it kind of just skipped all the way over here. Now, if you are lucky, you can get this cool shell that's like buried into the... Oh. What? Where'd it go? Okay. Well, if you are lucky, unlike me, mine just disappeared, you can get a little shell stuck in the ground. And I think that's pretty cool. Okay. So, yeah, that's everything to go over. You just made your cannon. That's great. I will make another one about rotating the cannon and one about how to do radars. So, if you want to learn more, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.